Are your product images not showing up, displaying as broken icons? This is a common but frustrating issue. Let me walk you through the quick fixes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Broken images ruin the shopping experience and kill conversions. First, check the image directly in your admin. Go to Products, edit the product, and see if the image is displaying correctly in the media gallery. If it's broken there, you need to re-upload it. If it looks fine in the admin but not on the live site, it's likely a theme issue. Try switching to a default theme to see if the problem persists. A crucial pro tip: pay attention to your image file sizes and names. Avoid special characters like and %hash in the file name, and make sure the file isn't massively large. A simple, descriptive file name with hyphens, e.g., blue t-shirt front.jpg, is best for both SEO and display. And just like that, you can ensure your products always look their best. Clear, fast-loading images are non-negotiable for sales. What's your process for optimizing product images? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to handle a Shopify checkout error. Thanks for watching.